Hello everyone, well Mother's Day is coming up, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. It's an origami heart, and when you pull the two sides, there's a secret note inside. I just drew a heart in there just to keep it simple. And yeah, and you can close it back up. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 7-inch square of kami. So, begin with the white side up, and fold in half. Okay, unfold, and fold this edge to the middle. Do not repeat on this side. Rotate, and fold this edge to the top. Okay, and now we're going to divide this into thirds. So fold this up, so this is equal to this. And then fold this part behind and just fiddle with the folds until they align. And oh, looks like I got it. Sometimes you get lucky. But if they don't align, just fiddle with it until they do. Alright, and just pinch. And either side up, and fold to the pinch mark. Unfold, rotate, and fold to the crease. Okay, unfold, turn over, and fold this edge to the crease. Unfold, and repeat on this side. Okay, unfold. And now, we're going to make these two pleats at the same time. So this is the basic action here. So you pull these two sides and it opens up like that. And at this point, you can actually go ahead and draw whatever you want in there. But I don't have a pen on hand with me, so I'm not going to do that. So, I'm going to go ahead and continue. So, we have it like this. And we're going to unfold this flap. And we're going to take the side with the two edges right here. Fold into the crease. And fold up like this. And same here. Lift up, fold this edge, or these two edges to the crease. And fold down. And now, we're going to turn over, and we're going to airplane fold right here too. Let's make a little crease here for the reference point. Just fold like this and just fold like that, and then airplane fold. And there it is. Oh, yeah. Okay, and now we're going to round out the heart. So let's start right here. Fold about like that, and then same here too. Alright, and let's do the same thing right here for the crevice. So the same thing, just fold like that. And same here too. And by the way, excuse all the extra background noise. I'm in the dining room, so yeah. That's the TV you're hearing, by the way. Okay, turn over. And we're going to fold this up. And we really need to fold it up beyond the point of the crevice. So we're going to fold it. Watch me make the fold before you even start. So fold like that and squash. And you want the squash fold right here to go beyond these two edges like that. See? Let me show you again. Okay, well it's like this, and then fold this up beyond the crevice and squash like that. Alright. And we are done. So there's the heart. And you can draw whatever you want on the front. You can draw a face, and then this is the action right here. You open here, and you can draw like a note or a heart inside. Like what I did with this model. I'll show you on this model here. See, I drew a face and that. And I drew a heart in there. So there you have it. Alright, well hope you guys find this model lovely and enjoyed folding it. And yeah, I think it'll be a nice present for your mother on Mother's Day. And if you like the video, give it a like, and leave a comment down below if you want, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so yet, so you'll get notified every time I launch a new video. And I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.